Right, hello, welcome to my channel. My name's John. Today, something special. Honey mustard chicken salad. Now I'm doing this to take lunch with me down to the beach. I'm making two because that's what it's going to make with the amount of chicken I've got. I'll take one to the beach and I'll put one in the fridge. Right, let's get cooking. Well, today, my friends, it is beautiful and sunny, and I've decided I'm going to go to the beach, but I'm going to take a nice warm chicken salad with me. So I'm going to make enough for two. I'll put one in the fridge for tomorrow, and then one I'll take with me. So this is pretty simple. We've got some baby spinach leaves, some chicken which I'll marinate and fry, a couple of mandarins, tomato, some spring onions, a carrot and some feta cheese, and I'll make a dressing out of some honey mustard, red wine vinegar and some olive oil. Okay, let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up the chicken, and then I'm going to use my blend of spices with this virgin olive oil here, and then we'll fry it. Right, we'll just put the chicken in here. I'm going to let it marinate for about half an hour will be enough, and while it's doing that we can prepare our veggies. Now this is my Moroccan seasoning. I'll put a link, well not a link, I'll actually put the recipe for the seasoning in the description box. But one thing you have to add is a bit of salt, because it has none in it. Alright, let's get on with the vegetables. Right, I've got two containers here. One of these is going to end up in the fridge for tomorrow. The other is coming with me to the beach. So each one of these ingredients that I chop up, I'm going to split between the two containers. I'm going to start with the spinach, which I'm going to chop up, and then I'm going to add some of my Cabernet Syrup to that. Just move that around in the pan. Hopefully it's not too loud. Make sure you cook your chicken right through. Not too much either. This is a tricky one when you're using chicken breast meat because it tends to dry out fairly quickly. But I think we've got the measure of this one. Maybe another minute and we'll be there. It's a quick way of testing. Grab one of the bigger pieces, like this one here, and just pull it apart. Now you can see the pink in the middle, then keep cooking. But that's, I think, the biggest piece there, and I pulled it apart. There's no pink, so we're ready to go. Right, now let's I was going to say plate up, but it's not really a plate up, is it? And I'm going to pour the dressing on. Now the dressing will be in the description box below. Let's stir this through, and then let's just crumble some feta on the top here, and that is a really nice quick salad that you can take on the go. Right, I know I'm going to have to taste this because that's the done thing. So I've got some feta, some dressing, some chicken, tomato. Oh my god! That's beautiful. Honestly, it's out of this world. I'm going to put a lid on this, and I'm off to the beach. I will see you on the next recipe.